Happy November! It is the holiday season months and I love it. But today I'm talking about why you shouldn't have the best home in the neighborhood. So I come across this a lot when talking to sellers where they have put a lot of money into updates into the home and then are expecting to get all of that money back when they sell their house, which doesn't usually happen. Even for those major bathroom and kitchen updates, you're not going to get 100% back. So I see things like people putting in huge decks with fireplaces and, TVs and bars and all these things, or doing the same in the basement where they put, a big bar in, or even sometimes they get plumbing put in and put in a kitchen down in the basement. And they're spending tens of thousands of dollars doing these things, and then they're expecting to get that back when they sell it. You don't always want to be the best home in the neighborhood. Now, there's a difference between, hey, I want this thing because I'm going to live in this house for a while and I want to enjoy it, and this is how we live, so it's awesome to have this, these upgrades. That is different to hedging your bets and spending all this money thinking you're going to get it back in a few years when you sell. So yeah, sure, do it. If you're going to enjoy it and it's going to improve your lifestyle or it's going to improve how you live in your house, then go ahead and do whatever you want. But just don't expect to get the money back. And the best homes in the neighborhood don't always go for the highest prices. And those sellers are usually kind of disappointed. So don't try and, beat the Joneses next door by one-upping them on every little update they do. Do what works for you now when you live in the house, and enjoy your house, but don't be trying to make these updates thinking that it's going to increase your equity in huge amounts. Now, if you have a question about an update and how it might help in the future or not help, if it's worth it, then ask me, guys. I am always here to help you. I hope November is going well, and hopefully I get to see you guys soon. See ya.